She's a man eater. But you ain't eating me, bitch. No, gotta be better than that. Cause I got eyes in the back of my head. 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 Please subscribe. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. My name is Dave Natch. I speak stocks. Welcome back to another episode of Sunday Stock List. Today is July the 23rd, and in today's video, I have two plays for you to put on stock this coming week. Okay, let's jump right into it. The first one is a BP. That's the acronym for bounce play. Okay, I'm looking for a quick bounce on this one. MTR. MTR closed down 23.5% on Friday at $18.23. The stock opened at $22.63 and it was all downhill from there. The low on the day for MTR was $17.58. Okay, this one pays a monthly dividend. This is a buying opportunity. Their 52-week range, their 52-week low, $10.83, and their 52-week high, $29.50. So this one is halfway between high and low. Okay, this one is in the oil and gas space, headquarters out of Texas. Let's kick the tires. MTR wears a market cap of 34 million. Okay, they have 1.86 million in the float. 11% of the float are held by institution. No insiders, zero insiders on this one. 1.81% are shorts. Their profit margin is a positive 89%. Let me repeat that. Their profit margin is a positive 89%. This is MTR. Their operating margin, a positive 95%. Their ROA, return on asset, is a positive 77%. Their ROE, a positive 143%. Let me say that one more time. Their ROE, return on equity, is a positive 143%. ROE and ROA are interest the company is making on their money, their investments. Okay, let's continue. Their revenue is 4.27 million. Their revenue per share is 2.29. This is MTR. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 18% year over year. Their gross profit is 4 million. This is MTR. Okay, they have a net income of 3.8 million. Their EPS, earnings per share, 2.04. Their quarterly earnings growth is up 20% earnings growth. Okay, they have a total cash of 689K and a zero debt. Their current ratio is sitting at 3.04. MTR, watch out for this one this coming week. This is a buying opportunity on this big dip of 23.5% on Friday. Let's see what happens. Let's continue. Stock number 2, SDPI. SDPI is breaking out under the radar. The stock closed up 17% on Friday, settling at $1.80. The higher day on Friday was $1.92, a brand new 52-week high. Okay, this one makes 3 consecutive new highs, 5 consecutive higher lows, 5 consecutive higher lows. This is a sign of strength. This one is in the oil and gas space as well, and this one is headquarters out of Utah. Let's kick the tires. Their quarterly earnings growth is up 910% year over year. Let me repeat that. Their quarterly earnings growth is up 910% year over year. Earnings is one of the greatest catalysts to propel a stock upwards. For example, with Nvidia, you saw what happened. Nvidia went from $108 all the way to $480 in no time because of great earnings growth. Okay, let's continue. They were a market cap of 53 million. This is SDPI. They have 10 million in the float. Okay, 68% of the float are held by insiders. Let me repeat that. 68% of the float are held by insiders. This tells me directors and officers are putting their money where their mouth is. Let's continue. 5% of the float are held by institution and a measly 0.08% are shorts. Okay? Their profit margin is a positive 11%. Their operating margin is a positive 14%. This is SDPI. Their ROA, return on asset, is a positive 11%. Their ROE, return on equity, is a positive 30%. Their revenue is 21.25 million. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 52% year over year. They have a gross profit of 10.77 million. Their EBITDA, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, is a positive 4.43 million. 4.43 million, their EBITDA. Okay, this is for SDPI. Their net income is 2.5 million. They have a total cash in hand of 2 million. 2 million in cash and a total debt of 6 million. 6 million in debt. Their current ratio is sitting at 2.09. Their operating cash flow is a positive 3.51 million. Let me say that again. Their operating cash flow is a positive 3.51 million. Okay? This is for SDPI. Please pay attention to these two stocks this coming week. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter at @DuppyTeeth for my stock alerts. In the meantime, in between time, always protect your neck. Always set a stop loss. Do not invest more than you're willing to lose. And whenever you see some profits, take some profits, because now you see them, now you don't. Dave Natch, I'm out. Boom, bam. Make your next trade your best trade. Enjoy the rest of your Sunday. Thank you for watching. Dave Natch, I'm out.